Assalamu Alaikum mga moms and mga sisters. How are you today? For today, we're going to cook Bola. That's what we have here, the ingredients.
Going to put this sa tapioca. Mahulog. Here. Tapioca here. Yeah. Full. This tapioca. And we're going to put next is this condensed milk. Because we are not using sugar, condensed milk is enough for that. Going to put the condensed milk. And now, this is a glutinous rice. Going to put half of it, the glutinous rice. It's a powdered rice, glutinous. See, still have remain. You can use it for some other times. I'm going to put small water, not too much watery, consistent only. I'm going to mix it.
Looks delicious, actually. But guess what? This is only the base. Still have to shape it into a circle.
Too much. Makabuksan na ito lang. And we're going to open the all-purpose milk. All-purpose milk. Only one is enough. And this one, I'm going to make it ball. This is a glutinous rice powder. We make a ball like this. Wait. Like this. I think it's one is enough like that.
Okay. Drink off.
Nice. We still have salad, right?
Yeah.
Ito mo lagay. Ito naman. Mix. We're going to mix it. I put the condensed milk and all-purpose milk, that is milk evaporated milk, and the tapioca. The tapioca is like a sago, small one. This is coconut milk.
Hungry? You want some? Eat. It's delicious, right? This is so good. Want some more? Eat. It's so tasty. You can have the whole bowl if you want. You finished the whole bowl. Wait, oh, never mind actually. Yeah, you can have some more actually. Yum 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 yum. Delicious, right? Professional.
Summer back in time.
I'll bring that back just for Yeah, okay.
This is the finished product. This is bilo bilo.